1996, that's when I lost my father. And then in 1998, I lost my brother and my 2 nephews. And then my friends, our neighbors, pastors, all those. I knew all those people who got killed that same night.
About the bones that are inside of us, the living bones, the pieces of our body, and how we're not so different. We're all similar.
The feeling that I have is not about revenge. It's not about that. So if we have to think of revenge, then this is not a solution. All we need is forgiveness and thinking of the future. Like, what do we need as a Congolese so our kids, our younger brother, our brothers, the new generation will not go through what we've been through. I mean, you really don't do something until you know something. Then that's what 1 Million Bones is doing, to let people know what is going on in Congo, in Sudan, in Burma, and other countries. Keep talking about it, like the messages, if the message can keep going, so people can do something about it.